I'm Paul Costner, this is the Broadband Academy, and today we're going to present a video on cable characteristics of PE-89. The first thing that I want to present is the PE-89 has a variety of different markings on it. Okay, one is each one of the footages, okay, and it's marked in every 2 feet increments, and here it tells that this is a telephone cable. It goes through the product code of the manufacturer, the date it was manufactured, the year it was manufactured, and then the type of cable. This cable is PE-89 aluminum shield, 50 pairs, 24 gauge. This gauge can differ between 19, 24, 26 is usually the smallest. Remember, in gauge sizes, the larger the number, the smaller the conductor. With this PE-89, here is a drop cable of actually 6 pairs. When we talk about pairs, these are your plastic insulated conductors. It's called PIC. Okay, this is tip and ring, and we will go through the color code in a later version. What I want to talk about is the characteristics and how this is manufactured and why it's manufactured this way. Each one of the cables that we present has a black polyethylene jacket, okay, and that's used for a variety of different things, from weather resistance to rodents, gophers, mice, whatever. If they try chewing through this, it makes it very difficult to do that. The next segment is the actual shield itself. And if you take a look at these two here, this is a copper shield and this is an aluminum shield. These shields are used to ground and bond the actual cables. So during splicing procedures, you're going to put a bonding clamp on here, and that bonding clamp will have a cable that goes to a ground bar inside the pedestal or in the aerial boot itself. Next, you have an inside polyethylene shield that protects the actual conductors themselves. So during the installation process or any type of troubleshooting in a PET environment, this polyethylene jacket protects the actual conductors from getting nicked. Inside all of this is a compound, an ETPR compound, which we call icky pick or gel filled, and that is a sticky compound that's wrapped around the individual conductors and the cable to prevent any type of water that gets in there, and it prevents them from corrosion of the copper conductors. You can see that the plastic insulated conductors are copper. They're a soft copper, so they can get spliced, and they're very flexible. This is another example of the actual icky pick. You can see it's really sticky, and once again, it's used to prevent any type of water penetration inside the cable itself.